Hello and welcome to another exciting point in Eastern New Mexico University's history. When I started my tenure here about a year ago, Stephanie and I found ourselves a little light on the green and silver gear. So we started shopping, and what we found were several different marks out there. There was the running greyhound, the floating greyhound head, the ENM mark, Eastern New Mexico University, the E within a ZIA, and so on. And I was wondering, was it a throwback mark? Was it a marketing campaign? And those little questions led to a much bigger one. What is our brand? When you have a number of different marks out there, you really don't have an easily identifiable mark that says Eastern New Mexico University. So several months ago, I asked John Hauser to find us a company to help us and also help me put a committee together to work on a rebrand. So first I want to say thank you to Rickabaugh Graphics. This is a company that's designed successful award-winning marks for companies like Coca-Cola and Hallmark, MGM, and also for universities like The Ohio State University, the University of Texas, Seton Hall, and closer to home, Abilene Christian University and University of Texas at Permian Basin. I think they'll soon add Eastern New Mexico University to that list of successful marks. Second, I want to say thank you to John Hauser and to the committee. Jeannie Flores, Kara Sanaya, Tamia Smith, Jose Montoya, Russell Johnson, Aaron Easley, Brian Hahn, Sarah Wright, Karen Van Ruten. Great work, and I really appreciate all the effort you put into this. Finally, I want to say thank you to all of you who participated in the different town halls. Your input, your feedback, your ideas were expertly incorporated by Rickabaugh Graphics into the final versions that I have the pleasure of approving. Now, it's my intent that these marks will serve as our brand for decades to come. They will become synonymous with ENMU, recognized and respected for all we are as a university. We have a plan in place to quickly change out the old marks and put these new ones in place. And I once again thank you in advance for the work you'll do to switch these out. Now, don't get me wrong, we didn't just completely change our brand or our identity. We have a great name, we have a great recognition of some of the elements that we had, a tremendous mascot. This symbol of speed and strength, those were important to keep and to honor. So these new marks really reflect a unique and refresh of some of those elements, honoring who we are and what we have been, and also taking us to a new era in ENMU's history. So now it is my pleasure to introduce the new academic and spirit marks for Eastern New Mexico University.